What's the meaning of carpentry? Carpentry. Carpentry.
Carpentry. Carpentry. Carpentry refers to the skilled trade of working on wood to create structures, furniture, and other items. Carpenters use a variety of tools and techniques to cut, shape, and join pieces of wood to create functional and decorative objects. The result of carpentry work can range from simple household items like shelves or cabinets to complex structures like bridges or buildings. Carpentry requires precision and attention to detail, and a skilled carpenter can transform raw materials into beautiful and functional works of art.